So what's going on, guys? Here in front of me is the euro, and as you can see, just quickly, well, let me go here. So we broke this support line after kind of forming this more or less double top, and we broke below it, and now we are heading a little bit higher to retest the previous support area. So roughly here, this zone. Now, if we take a look on the monthly, well, we are basically kind of somewhere in the middle between here and there, so somewhere around within these kind of triangles here. So if we break, we will go, well, first support line is this one around here, and then all the way to the downside. Now on the weekly, I'm just quickly throw in the CCI. So well, here we are pretty low, and so this is why we are heading a bit higher and now retesting this area. So but from here the next target would be this middle support line here. Let's just quickly change the color to whatever. We'll take this one and taking a look at the daily. So as you can see, we are heading here a bit higher after this drop. If we quickly get rid here of all those things here, here we are somewhat trading within this channel. So if by any chance we see a huge break out, something like here, maybe this kind of candlestick, and then a retest, then we could see a change of momentum and I would be a buyer. But for now, if we take a look at the 4-hour chart quickly, get rid of all those things and throw in the 5200 EMA. So here we are still trading below the 200 EMA, so we're still on this huge downtrend. Maybe I should change the color here again. And here was this kind of double top on the CCI, but here we had this lower high, and this was the first bearish sign, and here we retested this trend line the first time, and now here is the second time, which means all in all, if we see here a break, we will go much lower. Let me just draw in here the second trend line, which would be something like this. So we would here reach probably fall below 127, and so what we are at the moment at is this resistance line, and if we draw now the fib just quickly, this is it. So here we are at the 60 area, which means pretty high actually, considering the fact that we are at the trend line again and we are on a downtrend. So here is why I am going to be a seller. Just quickly, something like this, and target all the way down. So if we zoom in a bit, here you can see we reached the 0.61 levels at the CCI, almost hit the 78 area on the fib, but that being the case, if we check the what time frame. So we are here still trading below the 200 EMA. If by any chance we see a break to the upside and a cross between the 50 and 200 EMA, this is when I would look for buys, since then we could see this breakout of this downtrend, and with if then somehow we see a big bullish candlestick, I would change directions and be a buyer. But for now, it looks like we are heading lower. We are at this resistance line, trend line, and the 60 levels on the fib. Now taking a look at the 30, 15-minute chart. So here we saw a break, and now we are retesting this candlestick after the break on the 15-minute chart. So here, maybe we could see a double top here and somewhere a divergence on either side, or a double top here on the CCI and a divergence here. But it is very unlikely, since not often do we see a move like this, which is so clear that the trend will go down. But if we break here again, I would be a seller. So this was the analysis for Euro Japanese yen. So thanks for watching.